All right, good morning. All right. What's the word here, Rob? What up, Mohammed? Sell everything? Dang, that ended abruptly. By WTLF. How'd that end up yesterday? Jeez. Hit the highs yesterday, man. That's pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, ask yourself why you're selling. I mean, you hold AITX for like 100x, but you end up selling this one. Okay, Che Guy's breakout. Obviously, Bitcoin's still moving, so that's going to be up here. APHI or APHA, excuse me. Yeah, but it wasn't crashing that hard, Rob. You're doing what I've been doing recently. I do not see a crash here. There's no crash here. That's just normal selling pressure. You probably got caught up on that one sell candle. Happens to me. Yeah, I know MJ's. I'm out of sync with MJ's, which is fine. KG looks not horrible. Yeah, that's the thing is you get twitchy. Trust, yeah, I know that feeling. I don't like that feeling. I really hate it. Despise it. STPK, what's BTC doing? Okay. Saw Riot was moving. It's not doing too bad. All right, what do we got? We got SIEX, PI Peloton. Everything's kind of flat to down. Some MJs up. What's down? UAL, FUV, only down 1.5. Oh, wow. Everything's really ranging right now. The biggest thing we have down is Take Two Interactive. Down on earnings for 5%. That's it. Everything else is 2 or less. Very manageable for a lot of these positions. All right, Apple, Sierra, APHA. MJ's continue going without me. Signature Bank in New York really just blasted off. Wonder why that one's so crazy. STPK doing really good here. What do these guys do? I know some of you guys are in this one. Star Peak Energy. Oh yeah. Okay. Guess the question is, what does Star Peak Energy do? Shell companies. Oh, they're one of the SPACs. They're a SPAC. That's right. GDLC, very bullish. Look at GDLC. Look at this thing. Here's a nice big cup and handle. I wonder if that's going to start actually panning out into something. Remember, this is supposed to represent like the top four of the top cryptocurrencies, and it's just it's been doing freaking nothing. Absolutely nothing. Everything's been killing it for months now, and this is doing shit. I don't know. What do you guys think about GDLC? I usually don't like playing in laggards, but if something's got to catch up, I mean, that should be kind of holding it. MJ, STPK, Signature Bank. Corsair seems to be edging higher. Oh, after earnings here, so that's good. Corsair had a really good initial run here from 14 to 50 out of an IPO. Now it's putting in a very nice base. FSL again. Yeah, I know what you mean, Ellie. I know what you mean. But you would just think fundamentally something that's like an ETF should come back. It's a little strange. Yeah, FSL looks pretty healthy. Not a lot of volume on the upswing here. Gets me a little bit skeptical, but everything lately has been working pretty good. EXPI back up here about 3% somewhere. FLGT coming right back into highs. That could be healthy. This thing goes more geez, I guess more parabolic is I don't know how more parabolic is possible, but COVID testing. Let's go check out FLGT on FinViz real quick. 3.3 billion market cap now. Yeah, Rewalk was up yesterday. I still have a tiny bit of that. Yeah, yeah, it bounced up really nicely. Wow, I didn't even look at it. That's pretty good. See Donkey Kong here. All right, Donkey Kong kind of tightening up. Came back yesterday a little bit, not a tremendous amount. Did shop there most of the day. Yeah, I ended up selling it. I sold it on this big red day on the full retracement. Definitely still looks good though. You have a lot of rewalk, Ellie. Man, APHA just going for it, keeps leading us day after day. How's Zoom doing? Man, Zoom yesterday was just a nothing day. That's decently bullish. Yeah, you need to yell at me what you're getting into, Ellie, because you're hitting it right now and I'm not, so I need to follow you this time. Zoom looks pretty good though. Zoom pretty tight, low volume. Yeah, this is looking fantastic. I never got it. I don't. I just tell you guys what to buy. I never actually buy it myself. Apparently, I think I'm gonna jump back in FLGT. This thing could be up here at 250 easy. KG. Yep, it's up 10%. Is it gonna start going? What was the one you bought yesterday? Did we talked about one yesterday? I didn't get that either. I'm just skittish on pulling triggers up here. Yeah, KG looks super hot. Geez, FLGT to get to 250 in 66 days is only 100% gain. That is crazy amount of premium on these options. Could do it faster than that though. I don't know, seems like just too much. Seems like too much to me. Yeah, we got to clear that, 3.5, 4 cent area. on KG. Mohammed Net. Yeah, I never did get Net. I didn't get Net, and the other one was Nvidia. I didn't make any buys yesterday. Good day for Nvidia yesterday. I don't think it's gonna come back lower. But it has been pretty choppy. What about the other mega caps? Probably not doing so hot since Nasdaq's flat. All right, Apple popping up a little bit. Microsoft. Microsoft's been pretty tight here. Hopefully that thing starts to blast off. Look at Microsoft, Ellie. Look at that. You like that? That looks pretty good. Maybe too big for Rob, but yeah. I looked through some of that stuff, man. I don't know all the research that you did. Apparently did pretty good though. Oh, speaking of your research, 3D systems. How's that doing? Jeez, from 10 to 50. Look at that shit. Like, why? Seriously. 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 That is for 3D systems. Did 3D printers all of a sudden start printing dildos or something? Because I don't know. Just some of this stuff just makes no sense. PLNHF continuing. All right, I might finally have to buy some of this. It's up 6%. It's not actually not too bad of a buy point. This thing doesn't move that well. Like it moves well, but 4 to 6 is only 50%. Some of these things are up just massive, massive numbers. Tesla's stagnating up here. Yeah, and APHA and MJ. I just haven't found a way in, and I just haven't felt like buying a massive up move. But yeah, I should have bought that one yesterday. NIL, I don't know, man. I think we've gone out of electrics for right now. Tesla's gone super flat. NIO's gone super flat. How's FUV doing? FUV looks like they've wow, no major volume on that. No major volume on the sell off on FUV. Solo looks like it was trying to get going. It looks like never did. Yeah, they know what they like though. All right, EXPI is still pegging up here at highs, not going away. Um, yeah, I really only have one or two decent ones, and my sizes in them aren't very appropriate. KG, Riot. Yeah, PLL's interesting. It's definitely interesting. It's already kind of bottomed and trying to bounce back. Not quite a pocket pivot yesterday, but you know, take one candle out of the mix there, you do have a have a pretty clean pocket pivot. What are some other mining names in this kind of sector? I don't know. Mariah's doing good. APHA, man, shit. This thing's just way too far gone for me. I just like I saw it, I wanted it. Ellie bought it. Ellie, you gotta start kicking my ass, man. About good ones. Just start kicking my ass seriously, because I'm just not hitting it. I don't see SI up here today. Yeah, your Ripple friend's a lost cause. I do think Zoom's interesting down here, though. You know what? As crazy as crypto is, I mean, at some point he may get it. He may have to wait. He may have to wait a couple of years, but I mean, if you look at holding for $3, it's not really what we do for the most part, but I mean, it's got higher lows. It's trending in that direction. Just tell him to put a limit sell at 3. Of course, if he wants 3, then he thinks it's going to go to 10. So you can't win with some people. I hope he sells, man. I hope he makes the money he wants to make, or she. I know you're talking to some girls too there, but put on my tombstone. That's funny. Should make a meme of that. That would be really good. Man, Microsoft's super tight here. Come on, Microsoft. You can freaking do it. I'm telling you. They're not selling it, but they're not buying it yet either. They're gonna get it at some point, and I'm gonna feel a lot better. Until then, I need to find. I was thinking about buying a full position in Riot blockchain. My dumbass. I was thinking about buying Bitcoin down here a week or two ago in Riot. I looked at some options. I never pulled any triggers. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, Ellie, you won't make any friends being right all the time, so just let it go. Don't tell anybody anything. APHA, man. Murdering. Ellie's up. Ellie's up more than I am in a position. That's amazing. That's phenomenal, man. Oh, did they buy it 6? Nice. VFF. Should have jumped back in that one. Look at that move. That's pretty nice. Oh, they didn't? Yeah. SI. Man, this thing is so, so strong. It's having a pullback and it's still up 2%. BLFS, look at this guy. This may be starting to rock and roll. This is part of your no, BLFS, this railroads, this ain't chemical. BioLife Solutions. Which one's this one? Medical Instruments and Suppliers. WDLF up to 0.45 and right back down. Wow. Jeez. See, that's a drop you should be scared of. Not that one. Me? Nah, I just lost my friends because they're way cooler than me. They finally realized I wasn't cool. Yeah, that's a drop to be scared of. Those drops scare me. Those are scary. That one, live and learn on that one, buddy. But that's a drop you can be scared of. Absolutely. All right, EXPI, NIO, Peloton. What was one we were just looking at? BLFS. It's over here. All right, BLFS has had some really nice moves this year. These guys, medical instruments. I think these guys sell the. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, BioLife Solutions. Gene therapy tools. Okay, this isn't the one I thought it was. But it does look like it's loosely getting going again as NASDAQ turns flat. Love to see Microsoft start to turn up, 0.38. Starting to do that a little bit. Mara. Yeah, that's already gone. I need to buy. I have such a hard time buying some of these early like that. It's very difficult. Yes, I know the 4%. What are you talking about, Ellie? We did get 2021 leaps. we got we got royally fucked because we forgot how to cut losses. You mean 2022 leaps? They didn't have them at the time. We did that shit in 2018 or whatever it was, 2019. We got as long as we could go, and we got royally screwed. That's funny. It's funny because it's true. Yeah, waiting for a pause or a pullback in some MJs. Can't do much till then. SI looking superb. You up today. EXPI 3%. SI almost 4. Donkey Kong chilling at 1. Not going away though. Hopefully he'll start to do something. I would like to buy something. Anyone have anything to buy? Other than the most expensive MJ stocks in the world at this particular point in time? AQB. Man, Baidu. Look at Baidu. Nice, Ellie. Very nice. Look at that. I need to get some. I need to get some stronger hands, guys. Seriously, I'd be killing it if I had some strong. And I need to buy in these fucking low bases on these big leaders too. I'm not. Okay, I need to buy lower, buy earlier, hold longer. There you go. I do work out of my office sometimes. I have some 20-pound barbells. Sometimes when I do the newsletter, I actually pump some ion. Weibo right there on some kind of a turnaround, although it's already fairly extended. It's not too bad though. Hey man, sometimes you got to point out the obvious. I'm struggling right now, Rob. I'm struggling right now. It seems weird. Like my account should be almost probably double where they are right now. I'm struggling. I don't like it. Lemonade. See, Pay's looking good down there. We talked about Pay's. Not bad. Isn't really curling up yet. Doesn't look like it's ready for its next move quite yet. Is one to look at. It may have bottomed, but I'm looking for like a little bit of an uptrend, something. Yeah, something to start curling up. Like if you look at PLL, kind of in this base right here. I think we're here maybe. I don't buy like that, but then I'm looking for like pocket pivots, like before the rally here, and then coming back again. Like a couple of good pocket. Like this is still early in comparison to this run, so like right in this area. I don't like down here. Maybe I should try it. Maybe I should try it. Yeah, maybe I should just try it. Yeah, and I'll see. There's a little bit of curl on it. Not quite pocket pivots, but it's starting to respect a trend line that I loosely have drawn here. I'm not sure if that's not That's actually not valid, but it's crossing back up above the 50. Nasdaq's loosely positive again. I want to see Microsoft starts poking its head. Oh, there it is. Pretty close. 0.6. Oh, there we go. Getting some Microsoft. Not a lot of volume yet, but it's poking. Come on, Microsoft. Let's do something. Finally. That's been my big boy, which really isn't doing much. Yeah, do you think it's curling at NIO? I guess it is curling a little bit. It's got a resistive trend line right there. All right, so we're not quite there yet. It's not horrible, but still have a little bit of work to do, I think, on NIO. Volume is nice and dry, though. I definitely like it from that perspective. Yeah, coming up, it's going to break. There's no real trend line right there to speak. I mean, I guess loosely there is, but willing to watch it, not willing to jump in on top of it quite yet. All right, Donkey Kong, Peloton, Zoom's still one that we're looking at in the lows. Nice and dry. Look at the volume on this thing, Muhammad, on NIL. Look how it's low. Dry means low. It's just low. Look at how low it's been for the past couple of weeks in this whole consolidation. Very similar to Tesla. There's just no selling pressure. Very little selling pressure. Even up as high as it is, you know, well under average volume as average volume is declining. That is dry. Dry volume just means no volume. Lack of volume, which implies no selling pressure. Because there's usually some sort of buying pressure if you're in something with an uptrend. Absolutely. Yeah, so from this perspective, actually I really do like that out of NIO. I don't know, maybe part of my problem is I only take, five, sometimes six or seven positions. Um, you know, Ellie feels comfortable with multiple positions. Rob's maybe I should expand my position horizon, especially since my profit percentage. I mean, that would give me um I guess that would give me more opportunities, wouldn't it? You buy cool stuff and cut whatever goes down. That's working pretty good. Yeah, that makes sense. Just buy like 3, 4 months out. Speaking of sense, so Jared was saying something about sense. Yeah, not bad at all. Nice little consolidation there. Which one is this one? What do these guys do? Diagnostic and research coming out of nowhere. They're on the American Stock Exchange. 1 billion market cap, 10 million sales. New diabetes thing. Okay. EXPI 5.2. New high for EXPI. At least this is one I do have I can feel good about. This one's at least up 95%. Hey, it's a half position into a full position. See, that's more like it. I just need three more like this. I do like Zoom. Maybe I should just buy Zoom. What do you guys think about Zoom? Support of the 200-day moving average back above the 50. It looks like it may take a while to get going, but we have been looking at Zoom for a while. Yeah, Zoom going back to 588 by June. That's a pretty good percentage. It was 202, now it's 150 something. It's evaporated a little bit. 151 basically at the money, which isn't too bad. Yeah, in a market like this, man, wherever like we follow so many things that are up, mid single digits to double digits every day. Yeah, I think that's definitely a good strategy. All right, SI up 6. Just continuing. Oh, man, I don't think SI is going to stop. This thing may just rocket up to 200. I don't know. Okay, there I'm getting distracted. I'm talking about Zoom. I need to make a damn decision when I'm looking at these. Do I buy this? I need to figure this out. So Ellie, Rob, how do you figure out your position sizes? If I'm going to expand, like right now, I just take 1/5 of my account, um, and I buy stuff. But I'm getting half positions lately, which has been okay. I mean, I did get a full position there. I got a full position there. I got a half position in Donkey Kong. I guess I should start with a half position, then move. That's usually been what I've been doing, but sometimes they move too fast. Ellie with the quote of the day: proper money management rules. Ellie's School of Position Management. Jeez, look at Riot Blockchain. Holy fuck balls. See, I already missed out on this one. I need to go full on in a Riot again. I was gonna do a full position on Riot this morning and I forgot. I forget everything. I need to just write some shit down. Should have bought it when it was lower. That was stupid not to do that. Hey Ellie, remember our $45 Riot trade when it was down here at like $2.50? Yeah. Talk about me being an idiot. Let's have conversations. It was like a 1,500% trade or something like that. Oh, yeah. Sandals looking pretty good here. Wow, that one, yeah, that's not too bad. Yeah, what do these guys do again? I think I need to allocate a position to my portfolio to just having more stuff. MJ grower, nice. It's looking. Look at that's a lot. It's a lot of accumulation. Surprised it really hasn't started going, but 2 billion market cap. This thing is tiny. 53 million in sales. Yeah, what's a lot? It's only $1.50. Jeez, that's small. Has a lot of shorts. It's got a 15% short ratio. Yeah, that's pretty decent. Yeah, it could be starting to pump it here, unless they really try to murder it. All right, Nasdaq 0.21%, going higher. FLGT 8%. Let me add that sandals on here to the actionable list. What is it? SNDL. Okay. Donkey Kong going lower. Amazon. All right, Microsoft. Microsoft slowly wedging its way out, hopefully continuing. You're on Weeble, Jared? I don't know, man. They're They're a China Robinhood. I'll just go to Robinhood other than China Robinhood. I'll keep my finger out of the Chinese stuff if I can. Genus. I was trying to click on SI and I got Genus. All right, FLGT. APHI, SNDL, Riot Blockchain. MJ killing it. Baidu. Killing today. Yeah, Poon's different. Actually, my neighbor across the street's Chinese. She's pretty cool. Yeah, she was smart and actually just bought and held GBTC. We were talking about it last night. She's got quite a bit of GBTC. Not quite outperforming me, but makes me feel bad. EXPI is still doing great up here. Signature Bank in New York. Yeah, she's doing good. PLNHF looking great. Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out too, Justin. I got some cash too. Fiverr looks real. Fiverr about to break out right there. Yeah, PLTRs. That I just had that looking up. That one's looking pretty good. It's before earnings, but it's looking pretty decent. Tesla's really stagnant right now, which isn't a bad thing. I don't think Tesla's gonna be dropping. Um, but I would just wait until you see some bullish signs step back into Tesla. Um, I don't have a trade on the table for Tesla. I probably should though. Apple, last time I saw, was kind of just chilling lower. And if it continues to try to go higher like this, maybe on an uptick like that, Microsoft is right now better than Apple. I do have Microsoft right now in both of my accounts, full positions. So I really hope Microsoft gets going. But it's been really tight here the past week or so. I got it before earnings, had really good earnings, and then they've been really healthy ever since. So I think Microsoft, even though it's not one of these little ones like FLGT, SI, EXPI. I mean, name them. APHI, Riot, Baidu. It's not like one of those, but it's definitely doing pretty good. I think Zoom's interesting a little bit lower. Yeah, Zoom. Well, actually, it is lower. I think in these levels, we had a beautiful pocket pivot 2 days ago. Absolutely gorgeous pocket pivot, and I think holding nice and tight here. I think um, Zoom looks like its bottom and is looking to curl back up. I think Zoom's on my short list here in terms of comeback kids, but comeback kids haven't been coming back yet. It's just been the expansion of the ones that have already been running. So we're waiting for that rotation, but it looks like it's starting to come in a little bit. You got Apple perking up slightly. Amazon. Amazon looking like it's finally turning the corner, going up a little bit. It does have some rising volume here recently. Average volume ticked up for a few days. Yeah, looks like it's just chilling right now. Net's looking intriguing. Net's actually already broken out. Um, can't say the volume was excellent, but it was pretty good. Just have earnings coming up. That's always a bit of an issue, but right now earnings seem to be pretty good. Yeah, when they get going though, man, when these mega caps get going, they're all going to go, I think. Nvidia yesterday had a superb day. Absolutely beautiful day on Nvidia. You've got a net gamble. I'm thinking about it. I don't know, it'd probably have to be smaller though. Dude, net's so good. Net when it IPO'd, I'm like, I need some net. I should have just bought some fucking leaps on some of these, man. Oh, is Upwork? That's Upwork. I'm assuming, right? Are they publicly traded? Damn it, I didn't know that. Yeah, we got to put Upwork on here. I've used Upwork. I hate their website. All right, FLGT. Just chilling out here. Start to get going at some point. SI, EXPI, looking great. APHA killing it. Riot Blockchain. Yeah, behind you. SI still rocking it right there. Wait for a pullback of something. Maybe, I don't know. Some of these are getting, some of these really big ones, they're moving. Like, look at SI's volume. It's still pretty consistent, which is very impressive. What's SI's market cap right now? Oh, it's only 2.5 billion. What? Holy crap. It's only two, their market cap's only 2.5 billion. What should the crypto bank to the world be worth? No wonder it still looks super good. Holy crap. But keep in mind their revenue is only 80 million. They're not a huge revenue company though. EPS 33%. See, they're not killing it, but yeah, don't ditch this like I did. I ditched my SI because I'm an idiot. Don't be like me. Lucky Coffee? Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one. 810 guys. I gotta roll. I gotta get ready for crypto stuff as crypto's popping. Oh, Microsoft almost a full percent now. Come on, Microsoft. All right, guys, buy Microsoft so I can make some money. Never mind. Don't do that. Buy it because you want to buy it. Don't buy it for me. Ugh, that's horrible. That's horrible. But Microsoft looking super green today. Volume is okay. I mean, with half an hour into the trading day, look at the daily volume. It's not too bad with half an hour into the trading day. It's gonna be pretty good. Yeah, I need to get me on some GBTC or some Riot. I was thinking 50-50 GBTC and Riot. I was thinking about it. I should have a shitload, Rob. I'm an idiot. I'm a huge idiot. I'm the dumbest person on the planet. Yeah. Anyway, bull run, Justin, freaking all year. It's gone, dude. Like seriously, I think this thing is just gone. I don't know what Riot's going to be. This thing could be up at 100, 150. I don't even know. It's going to be big though. It's already big, and it's going to get bigger. That's kind of what I'm thinking right now. I think it's just going to be huge, man. Yeah, 100K, 200K. I don't. It, Tesla's news probably could have buoyed this bull run for an additional amount of time. In 2017, things just kept going. In 2021, I think it's the institutions that are going to get us that are going to get us there. The thing that everybody's been waiting for is likely the thing to head us higher. And then yeah, we'll see what happens. Do we get a drop down to 30K? I could call it now and say 30K is the next bottom. I could do that. Realistically, I think I could call that. But yeah, I think and that would go with precedent. That would go with precedent. Yeah, I mean, look, we just came out of a consolidation in BTC. I think we definitely could rally the whole year, but that's what the crypto power hour's for. Yeah, 2 or 3 years, Ellie, probably. I don't know about the time frame on that one. We'll see how this lasts. I mean, last time it ran for a year, and this thing popped out in December, could run for another year. Just maybe there is some seasonality to Bitcoin. Who knows? Who knows? But this stock market's on fire, guys. I've had all of these. Actually, no, I've had Riot, I've had Baidu, MJ, FLGT, SI, EXPI, VFF. I've had half of these up here. Pretty good. I mean, at 100K, there'll be institutional support. Now you're just pulling numbers out of your ass. Now you're just pulling stuff out of your butt. I don't think that's the case. All right, guys. I think it's got institutional support. I don't think it's going to be supported in that way that they're going to hold a floor forever. But I think I mean, it's here to stay. Bitcoin is here, done. Period. It's going to be here the rest of your lives. So, all right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.